Sorry for the wind. Not so great conditions today, but we're gonna try to make it happen. Very similar air and water temps, but it's definitely cloudy compared to last week. So I'm gonna try for fluke then, porgy. It's gonna be quick. Mess with some underwater. Stick around, see what happens. Alright, there's something down there. I got one too. Oh, it's a robin. Hitting to the robin mix. I think I got a robin too, yeah. And a third one followed it up. I think it's another sea robin. Yeah.
They over there, status now, we don't have.
Oh, I dropped something. I think it was a robin. Oh, that's a fluke. I think. Wait, not sure. Yeah, no, but this is a sharp head shake. I don't know what it is. It's a fluke. It's a baby fluke. See, they're here. Oh, that works. That's all right. He was a baby. You got a robin. Probably have a robin too then. Yep. They put a porgy bait on the top hook. Oh. What is that? Is it another sea robin? I want to see if you get a porgy with it.
That's the thing, like right now, we don't even catch the robin. This might be a fluke.
Yeah, that's a fluke. That's definitely a fluke. Did you lose it? It's because you're jerking so much. Make sure you gotta just reel like this, man. I'm telling you. You're whenever you go up like that, you're changing the tension in your line. Dang, this is like something. Oh, weak fish! Oh my goodness! Look at the size of that weak fish! Oh my goodness!
You got him? Oh, nice.
Dude!
Nice.
That is a huge weak fish. Oh my goodness. That is a tide runner, man. Wow. Or here, can I give you mine? Because I'm gonna let this guy go.
You gonna let him go?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's too big. We'll keep a smaller one. Trust me. These don't even taste that good. This is like a record, man. Wow. I'm beside myself. I can't. It's about so like 22, 23. Yeah, you need them like 18 max. It's gonna taste. This thing will taste like a bluefish. 16. Only 16 inches. Yeah, you want to get like a 16 to 18. Trust me. Yeah, he's pretty much 22 and a half. I mean, it's not that big, but it's definitely, I've never caught a weak fish this big before. Oh my. Awesome. They are. They're gorgeous fish. Look at those teeth. All right, bud. I know I'm about to lose it. That's a good sign. We'll get a... Whoa. Oh man, that's not a good release. Yeah, he's all right. This last clip is a fluke that I caught. It wasn't a keeper, but it was a fluke. And this is the last fish that I'm going to show in the video. Maybe caught a couple more sea robins, but this is pretty much the end of the day. It really wasn't a great day except for that wheat fish.
This feels like a weak fish again.
There were a couple flukes scattered. I think my buddy did get one as well, a short.
Oh man, look at those head shakes. That's a fluke.
We didn't fish all that much, probably only about 2 hours max. That wind really started picking up quick, and we really just couldn't stay that late and wait it out. So we called it in pretty early. And unfortunately, because of the cloudy conditions, a lot of the underwater footage really didn't come out. There was a little bit of it that I got, but yeah, we were in a little deeper water too this time, so nothing to really show. Also, a little interesting is my buddy kept some of the sea robins, and a couple of them had mantis shrimp in their stomachs. So I found that interesting. I also found that the mantis shrimp were in some fluke stomachs from last year in the same area. Not sure if the weak fish was here for the mantis shrimp as well, but you know, he did take that pretty large profile with the 6-inch grub, and it was at the peak of the tide. So the tide was running the fastest around the time I caught him. But that's about it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.